This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. So we have one block in our workspace. Help the harvester pick the piece of corn. Ooh, corn. Okay, so I can't just throw this down, right? Hey, pick corn, and I hit step or I hit run. There's no corn here yet. What we gotta do, and I can drag it off to this block area to get rid of it, is walk over there. So I'm not sure, is it one step? Let's try 1 and 2 steps, and I'm gonna hit run because you can always test out code and be wrong. It's totally okay. Once, twice. Oh, it looks like we would need one more, okay? And then when we're there, what would we want to do? I think pick the corn. This should work, but there's also an easier way. First, let's try this. Wahoo! Okay, but let me show you the easier way. Let's replay. Notice we say go east, go east, go east. Check out this block. It's called a repeat block. If I were to take these out, instead of saying it 3 times, any block that I put in our repeat block, well, right now, it will repeat 3 times, or 2, or whatever we need. So what happens when I hit run? Well, I can show you. It's going to go east, zoop, go east, zoop, go east. Now, if it had any blocks below it, once it repeats this 3 times, it will drop below and run the block below it. Let's try it out. So it did the same as what we did before, but with less code. Pretty cool. Let's keep going.